How to delete Temu account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Temu account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to delete your Temu account, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to basically launch the Temu application here. Once you launch the Temu app, you're going to be able to set this sort of interface, or what you need to do is basically just go to this use section that you can find over here. Once you tap on this use section that you can find over here, what you want to do is simply scroll down, go to this settings option, and then just go to this option known as account security from the very top, and then over here you'll be able to find the option called delete your Temu account. You can tap on it and then select I want to permanently delete, tap on continue, and then your Temu account will get successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to delete your Temu account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.